Alright guys, so we are here with the beautiful 2025 Mustang GT. We're going to be installing the speed form front lip as we got right here. But before we do anything with this car, we have to jack it up, of course. Because you think my big hind end's fitting under that, you're surely wrong. So let's give it a couple of jacks right now. Gotta have a good form going into it. Ooh, look at that. Right, that should be about good. Let's get the jack stands now. Alrighty guys, so now that we got the car jacked up, it's always important to have chocks on the back of your wheels. You never want to jack up the front of your car and not have something blocking the back of your tires. So now that it is up, let's install the front lip.
Alrighty, so after you've got your pieces together, you want to take your clear gloss paint and simply, very lightly, you don't want to hold it close because then it'll run and create big marks on it, which are kind of ugly. You just want to lightly coat it and constantly keep moving so it don't leave spots. And you want to go over the entire thing. Make sure you get the sides too. And you'll come around to the front here and just do the exact same. Coat the entire thing very evenly as you can get with spray paint, which can be difficult. You can just come over here. And then that's all it takes to clear gloss these. Now, it does look better in my opinion, clear gloss, because the matte just doesn't look great and it fades. This will help prevent fading too. Alrighty, so now we're going to take the drill and 2 screws. And if you see here, we've already done one of them. You just take the screws and put them here on the back, and that pulls the panels together. So we're going to go ahead and take this screw and this drill. If you want to get a little closer so you can see.
Yep.
You just take and loosely drill it, and then take and loosely drill the other one. Then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and push it together, make sure it's all the way together, and then we're going to go ahead and tighten it down. And that's all it takes. Now if we flip it over, that looks pretty good. Alrighty, now that you got it put together, all we have to do is screw it to the bottom of the car. So Brody's going to hold it there. You really need another person to help you do this. And we're going to line it up and make sure it's perfect. Then I will screw it in. So tell me once your side's lined up. Right, so now that you're lined up, just lay down here. And all you've got to do is take and screw it in. And it's as simple as that. And now all I've got to do is go around to the other side and do that. And then there will be 12 other ones you have to screw in. And after that, it'll be complete. Alrighty, so after you've done that side, just come right on over here to this side and do the exact same thing. Make sure you press it up against the bumper here to make sure it's flush. And then just drill it in. And that's all it takes. Now let's go do the rest around the front, and we'll get back to you when we're done.
Thank you all so much for watching this installation. Let me know if y'all end up getting this front lip right here. $119 and a coat of gloss, and this thing is looking amazing. Completely changes up the front end. I mean, just get one nice look at that one and just tell me what you all think. And make sure to like and subscribe. Check out our other content on our YouTube channel, such as other installation and even car cruises to cool destinations like Tail of the Dragon. Anyways, y'all be safe out there. Till next time.